Hello my friends, what's up? Hope you are fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price predictions. The live price change occur in the Tron TRX coin. What's the price change goes, what's the high price, and what is the current status of TRX coin and the cryptocurrencies market. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel friends. As you can see now on the screen friends, that is the live price prediction of the TRX coin in the last one day friends. If we look the average change occur in the TRX coin, so the average change is negative 1.17%, and same like that the high price of TRX coin is $0.126812 is the high price of TRX coin friends. If we look the price prediction chart analysis, so the chart analysis are tell us that previous hours they continuously falls down. As you can see here, falls down. That is why the changes occurs in a negative, and the last 2 hours they take a jump, and unfortunately after a jump they again falling down, and now they are in the falling mode. Now let's see the last 2 hour price predictions. What's the change goes in the last 2 hours, what's the high price in the 2 hour of TRX coin. Oh my godness, as you can see here that the previous hours is absolutely a fast of the TRX coin. That is the last 2 hour price predictions, and here is surprise for you. Now at this time, now that's live, so at this time they start the explosion again, the big pump coming soon, and the change occur in TRX coin as negative 0.29%, and the high price of TRX coin as $0.122885 is the high price of TRX coin. So that is the last 2 hour price prediction. Now let's see the current last 1 hour price predictions. What's the current condition of TRX coin in the cryptocurrencies market? As you can see here now, this time the last 1 minute they take a jump, and now they are in a jumping mode. The change occur in TRX coin as negative 0.6%, and the high price of TRX coin as about $0.122641 is the high price of TRX coin friends. Absolutely a good change occur in the TRX coin in the last 1 hour friends. So I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest in these coins, please do your own research. The current price at this time price of the TRX coin as $0.121907 is the high price, sorry, the current price of TRX coin friends. So my suggestion for this for all TRX coin holders, that please hold your TRX coin at the last of this month, because the big explosion of the TRX coin are coming soon after 13 and 14 April. So wait for it and hold your TRX coin. What's your opinion about Tron coin? What's the price predictions? What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel.